Hello, it's Phil Thatch, and I'm here at Volkswagen Wetlands where there is a prairie warbler. We're up the street a little ways, kind of down there where that truck and that car is where you would normally hang around at Volkswagen Wetlands. But we kept hearing a prairie warbler, and it was up the road a little ways. So we came up here and started making calls. Heather's got the Merlin app playing the sound. And we also ran into great bird photographer Robert Scott, who's back there. And Heather's right here and right there in that pine tree. I don't know if you can see it in the frame, but right there is a prairie warbler. And it's been, there it goes making its call. It's been hanging around over here, and then every once in a while it'll fly just right almost between our legs and come over here to the other side of the road. And we've been making some photographs of it, and it's been a pretty good time. And now I'm gonna go get my regular camera and make a few more shots. All right, we ended up making so many pictures. In fact, there are 17 of mine, which will say Canon R6 at the bottom left, and 15 of Heather's, which will say Nikon Z50 at the bottom left. And I decided just to present them to you and let music play over the top of them, where normally I would have commentary, but it might get kind of stale. Look, there's a prairie warbler. Look, there's another prairie warbler. Look, it's the same prairie warbler again. So I decided just to play some music, and I picked a song from the YouTube audio library called Orient. And even though this is a completely North American bird, and I believe all the plant life is North American in all of these photographs, the bird is so beautiful, and I think our photographs came out so good, it almost reminds me of the beauty of a Japanese garden. So that's why I chose that particular audio file, Orient, from the YouTube audio library. So without further ado, enjoy these photographs from VW Wetlands of this beautiful prairie warbler. All the shots are of one bird. Well, that was a lot of fun, chasing those, or that, it was just one Prairie Warbler around and making photos. I was trying to make video clips, and that was, I had the right lens for it. That 800 f11 is a great lens for wildlife video, but it takes it just a minute in video mode to focus, and by the time I would land focus on the bird, it would be ready to move on to the next perch. Doing stills, I could go bam, shoot, done. But the video clips were a little bit more difficult. Okay, thanks for watching as we went to Volkswagen Wetlands and hung out with a Prairie Warbler for a few minutes. It was a lot of fun. Did you have a good time, Miss Heather?
Yeah, it was fun.
Did you get overheated?
Yeah.
It's a little bit warm out here, and we were, you know, Heather's still recovering from her foot injury, and so it kind of wore us out a little bit. But we appreciate you joining us for this, and thanks for watching. Thumbs up's always appreciated. And we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye. It's my hand. I'm blocking your waving. There you go. Bye-bye.